Quarterfinal matchup, Dominic Etllinger, Croatia, Razzak, Beyshekeyev, Kyrgyzstan. A couple of first place finishes this year for Beyshekeyev. Won a couple of ranking events, including both Ulaanbaatar and the second ranking series event. Coming off an Asian medal performance as well at the Senior Continental. Silver medal showing for Beyshekeyev. Early slip, back to the feet we go. 31 seconds in. Kyrgyzstan in the red, Etllinger in Croatia, the host nation for these World Championships in the blue.
Head up, guys, head up. Blue, head up.
Early hand fighting, positioning by both. More than a minute into this opening round, no score. Etllinger in his 6th World Championship. Has never won a medal, and now he gets caught in that head throw, and that'll be 2. Good job there by Beyshekeyev. Quickly into the reverse lift, puts him right on to his back for 4, comes right back up to it a second time, and that is gonna be it. With authority, feet to back, and let's see if Etllinger is all right. They have asked for a doctor immediately.
What is the shoulder?
Oh my, look at the power and the finish here by Beyshekeyev. Not once, but twice. That first one jarred the shoulder. The second one finished the job as he took the grunt of all that velocity on his shoulder blade. So now you just hope that Etllinger is going to be all right. Plenty of power on those 2 finishes by Beyshekeyev. Etllinger still dealing with the effects. He made a deep run, and he still might not be done if he gets pulled back in, if Beyshekeyev can continue to do his thing. But with the shoulder, we will just have to wait and see. Razzak, Beyshekeyev.